Hi everybody. I hope everybody enjoyed your day off of schoolwork, and had a nice Memorial Day. This is the video for your math word problems, the second sheet, Tuesday, okay? Now, yeah, it's the same one. It's just a different set of word problems, okay? I'm going to read the first problem, and you could follow along. We'll do it similar to how we did it to the video, the last video, okay? I'm going to go through each of them with you and point out some keywords that we need to find out which operation we need to do, okay? So number one says, Karen has 639 crayons. Cindy has 504 crayons. How many more crayons does Karen have than Cindy? The key words there is how many more. Okay, I'm going to highlight that. Okay, how many more? Okay, so when we see how many more, you would almost think more, you hear more, you think you would have to add or something like that. But Karen has 639 crayons and Cindy has 504. We want to know how many more crayons Karen has than Cindy. So we want to find the difference between those two numbers. And anytime you want to find the difference between two numbers, you subtract. Okay, so you would set it up like this. Okay. And depending on what level you're on, you could try to attempt it. I would like for you to attempt it. There's actually no borrowing involved in this, so you should be able to do it and then check your answer with a calculator. I'm going to move on to number 2. Jose has 85 peanuts. Kenya has 40 more than Jose. How many peanuts does Kenya have? Okay, again, how many, we know Kenya has 48 more than Jose, okay? So it's the same concept. We need to find the difference between 85 and 48. So you would set it up again like this, 85 minus 48, okay? We're doing subtraction. And this doesn't require borrowing, so if you remember how to do that, most of you do, so I would expect you to do it first and then check it on your calculator. So number 1 and number 2 are almost the same, okay? They asked about this, pretty much the same thing. They wanted to know the difference between two numbers, okay? So that's why those two are subtraction. Number 3, Lizette has 84 stamps. She has 3 times as many stamps as Minerva. How many stamps does Minerva have? Okay. So Lizette has 84 stamps, and she has 3 times as many stamps as Minerva. So, but we don't know how many stamps Minerva has. So, we do the opposite of, if we said that Minerva has 3 times as many stamps as Lizette, then we would multiply, okay, to find out how many stamps Minerva had. But it doesn't ask us that. It's asking the opposite. So the opposite of multiplication is division. When we want to find out, we want to backtrack, and we know that Lizette has 84 stamps, and she has 3 times as many stamps as Minerva. That's all the information they gave us. They didn't give us any amount of stamps that Minerva has or anything like that. So you have to do 84 divided by 3. Sorry, right there. Okay. Again, you could use your calculator for that. Number 4 says, and oh, by the way, you could check your answer by multiplying too. If you get the same answer when you, whatever answer you get for 84 divided by 3, that answer you could multiply by 3 and it should get 84. So that's a good way to double check your work, okay? Number 4, white t-shirts can be purchased in packages of 6. If mom buys 71 packages, how many white t-shirts will she have? Okay, so we know they only come in packages of 6. Mom buys 71 packages. We could do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 71 times, right? So that would take too long. That would be adding all those numbers up. So the easier way, just like the other page, is to multiply 71 times 6. This you should be able to do, okay? And then you could check it with your calculator. And then the same principle goes as the last one. 71 times 6. Whatever answer you get, you should be able to divide by 6 and get 71. Okay? It should be able to check your answer like that, reverse operation. So 71 packages, we know there's packages of 6, 71 times 6. Okay? Number 5, I have 648 pencils. If I put 4 pencils in each pencil box, how many pencil boxes will I fill? So now we need to know how much you would fill something, okay? So we have 648 pencils, and we're going to put 4 pencils in each box. How many boxes are going to, come out if you put 4 pencils in each box and you had 648? It's obviously going to be a lot of pencil boxes, right? So you need to divide 648 divided by 4. Okay? And the reason you're doing that is you're trying to find out how many boxes you could have in total. So you're splitting up the 648 pencils by 4. Okay? If that makes sense. We need to split this number up, 648 pencils. We need to split it up 4 per box, and that's how you're going to get your answer. Okay, number 6, last one. Uncle Dave bought 143 ice cream sandwiches. If he wants to give them to his 11 hungry nieces, how many can each niece get? This is the same concept as the last problem. Okay, we need to divide 143 up, okay, between 11 nieces, okay, and we need to find out how much each niece is going to get. So you would do 143 divided by 11, okay, not that bad, right? Like I said, anytime you want to split something up, you're going to divide, okay? If you want to find, like number 4, if you know how many per package or per whatever, and you know the total number of packages, then you just multiply because you need to know how many shirts she's going to have altogether, okay? So that's it. There was no addition problems on this page. It was just subtraction and division. Okay, so I hope this video helped, and if you have any additional questions, you could always call me, or we could talk about it in our Zoom session. So, like I said, try these without a calculator, the ones that you could do, and then check with the calculator. Okay, hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.